Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to write a simple assembly language program to display digit 0 to 9 on a 7 segment display using the 8051 microcontroller. And guess what? We are doing the without using a lookup table. We are using a common cathode 7 segment display connected to port 2 of the 8051 microcontroller. Each digit from 0 to 9 has a unique combination of segment to turn on. We directly send those hex code to port 2. Here are the hex codes for each digit. For example, to show 0 we use 3F, for 1 we use 06 and so on. So let's look at the code. So our first instruction is org0000H. This tells the assembler that the program starts at memory location 0000H. Then start a label to mark the beginning of the main program loop. Then move P2, #3FH. So this sends the 7 segment code for digit 0 to port 2. #3FH lights up the segments from 0 on the display. Then a call delay. Call the delay subroutine to hold the digit on display for a short time. Then repeat for digit 1 to 9. Same pattern. Load the respective 7 segment code #06H, #5BH, etc. to P2. Call the delay. These show digit 0 to 9 one by one. Then sjump start. Unconditional jump to start so the digit display in the loop forever. Then delay subroutine. Create a visible delay using two nested loop with using R1 and R2 register. Keep the digit displayed from some time before the next digit is shown.